Hello, Kumar sir. My name is Ushasri. I am your mentor for IGNO internship. So, I would like you to share your feedback about the course and suggestions as well if you want to give any. So, please go ahead and share your feedback.
Good evening, madam. Thank
Good
you
evening.
for, first of all, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my views about the course and the institute. In fact, my background is I did my MBA, then I worked in corporate in HR function. And because of Corona, I joined first family counseling conducted by Royal Institute of Psychology, Pondicherry. After completing that, I asked my colleague Sri Vidya that I want to learn counseling skills further. Then immediately she suggested this institute. Then, in fact, in this institute, I contacted the madam in the month of February. Then she said, "Okay, I can join." And she said at the time the fees was 10,000 or 10,500. Then I could not join in February and March. April batch I joined. I didn't know the fees was reduced. I paid 10,500 rupees. After a day, I received a call from Radhika Garu. I have paid 10,500. Is there any additional course I have joined? I said, no, this is the course I have joined, and for this I have heard that the fees is 10,500. Next day, promptly she called me back and she asked me my account number, and she repaid my 4,500 excess amount which I have paid. That itself has given how the systematically the institute is working. Okay, in an institute like this, probably the owner or the boss has to give the permission or anything like that. I have not seen like that. Just like so, it has given me a very good impression about the institute. And coming to the course is very systematic. First, they taught about skills, and next they have taught about the stages of counseling. So we have learned first the skills part of the counseling, then stages part of counseling. And in the stages part of counseling, I have learned a lot about self-awareness. The 16 worksheets have given me a lot of insight about me. For example, the family members' desires, wishes, nothing I was knowing for the last 25 years. Now I have learned, okay, these are all their aspirations, desires, habits, so many things. Okay, this course has given me that kind of insight. And another one thing is, I can say Geeta Garu as mobile library or mobile university. And I like the simplicity. Though she knows everything of psychology, she always says that she knows nothing or only 10% of psychology. But whichever area we ask any question, that will be answered without any hesitation. That is really that simplicity and her no angry habit of her has impressed me like anything. Okay, and another one thing is yourself. As I told you, really the way in which you have handled the session as a coach or a mentor was very very useful. And whenever we ask anything, and if you say that if you know anything or if you don't know anything, immediately you say that okay, I don't know, I'll check with madam or we will discuss with madam. Like that, it is a great quality of an individual accepting that I don't know.
Thank you.
It's really a great quality which I have seen in you.
Thank you so much.
Actually, Geeta Garu is very lucky to have people like you around her. That will be a strength for the organization. And coming to Priya Garu, yes, she has handled that instruments very nicely. She has handled. It has given very good insight about the usage of instruments, how we have to use, and in what circumstances we have to use. And the back end operation, Radhika Garu, really I liked her sincerity. So overall, I enjoyed the course, the institute, and the people who have supported us. And this thing is, you all have to grow along,
Thank
and
you so much.
along with you, we have to grow. Definitely,
Sure.
that impression has come into myself that yes, we are also going to grow with this institute. Thanks a lot for the opportunity you have given, madam. And another one more thing is, without any age difference, though I am old guy when compared to you, you have never taken this one, and whenever I ask any help or anything, you have given me. Thanks a lot to you and the institute which has taught you to behave like this.
Thank you so
This is
much.
my opinion.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
madam.
Wonderful feedback from you. Thank you so much. We're gonna miss you, I know, but still, as ma'am
I will
said,
keep in
it's
touch
the
with you.
beginning. Yeah,
I
anytime
will
you
keep
can
in touch
ping.
with you whenever I need any help.
Sure. Definitely. You
Yes.
can message me anytime. I'll call you back.
Yes, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much
Thank you, madam.
for being in the wonderful journey with us.
Yeah.
You know, thank
But
you.
this also actually, when I told that I was having an issue with attending the class at 4:30, kindly prepone it for 3:30. For 2 days, the course that means classes have been preponed to 3:30. I was very happy. I was very happy that those 2 days, madam has come and handled the classes. That way,
Yeah,
it was so
because
flexible.
yeah, that's what. Yes, we are flexible, and we don't want even single person to miss the sessions, whatever we teach.
Yes. Yes. That way, really, it's a very good institute. I look forward to join some other courses also.
Definitely,
The only
sir.
thing here, work pressure is there. Otherwise, probably I could have joined along with Malati Garu, this Sahaya also.
Oh, then you
I'll
have to.
see, madam.
You are also joining in the next batch. Make it.
Definitely.
Definitely. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Bye.